What's the meaning of Crayola? Crayola. Crayola.
Crayola. Crayola. Crayola is a brand of art supplies, particularly known for its crayons. The name Crayola was coined from the French word cray, meaning chalk, and ola, meaning oily. The brand was started by Edwin Binney and C. Harold Smith in 1885 as a manufacturer of industrial pigments before moving into the education market with dustless chalk. In 1903, Crayola produced its first box of 8 crayons, which became an instant success. Today, the company produces a wide range of art and craft products, including markers, colored pencils, and paints.